It's dinner time. You have Chinese friends or Asian friends who are inviting you to have a meal. You may be asked to use chopsticks. So, do you know how to use chopsticks? I thought I might share with you some instructional information. Your chopsticks are of equal size, thicker at the edge and thinner where you pick up the pieces of food. Your thumb and your index finger will act like pincers, like that of, let's say, a crab. And they will be what you will use to manipulate the chopsticks themselves. Your middle finger will act as the fulcrum. So I'm sure most of you have learnt in physics what the fulcrum is, the pivot point. Now, most people try to come near the edge, right near the end. Now, if you were to do that, you could, but your level of leverage is very, very minimal. As you can see, my middle finger is a fulcrum, my index and my thumb are what I'm using. I wouldn't recommend that. You could go near the end. Once again, you would still have some level of dexterity, but not ideal. I recommend perhaps 1/3 to 40% down. Same thing. Fulcrum, and you can use your thumb and your index to control. Remember, when you are eating, pick up the morsel of food, bring it up to your mouth, not your mouth down to the bowl. Enjoy your meal. So please comment, like, share, or subscribe to our videos.